First you will go to Products and Items, and then you will go to Discounts. From here we will click the Mix and Match button, and then click the plus discount button in the top right. You will begin by naming your discount. In this example, we will be naming it Buy One Get One for $1. We can choose to toggle on an auto discount. For this example, we would like to have it toggled on so it will automatically apply the discounted rate. Next, we will select which categories this is applicable to and what menu items. In this example, we will be using the menu items of fried pickles and buffalo chicken egg rolls. Next, we will choose our discount type, promotion, comp, or donation. Next, we will choose the set price option, and then we will click the plus sign. For this example, we will use the quantity of 1 and set the price for $5. We will then click the plus sign again and make the quantity 2, and in this case the set price will be $1. After that has been completed, we then will choose our applicable time periods. Then we will select when the discount will be applied, before or after tax. We can choose to combine this with other discounts, and then set the priority level. After that, we can then set who will be able to use this discount. Next, we can choose to attach a customer, and we can also choose a membership plan as well. Lastly, we will choose the color of our discount. To publish your discount to the POS, click Save and Publish.